let's learn alphabets, okay? The first letter of the alphabet is A. The first letter of the alphabet is A. The sound of A. The sound of A is A. A for apple. We're drawing pictures here. A for apple. A for ant. A for ant. A for axe. A for axe. Now shall we spell them? A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A-N-T. Ant. A-X-E. Axe. The next letter is B. B sound is B. B sound is B. B for ball. B for ball. B for bat. B for bat. And then B for bag. B for bag. Let's spell them. B-A-L-L. Ball. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-G. Bag. Okay. Now the next letter is C. The sound of C is K. The sound of C is K. C for cat. C for cat. C for cup. C for cup. C for cap. C for cap. Shall we spell them? C-A-T. Cat. C-U-P. Cup. C-A-P. Cap. Now the next letter is D. D and small d we are writing here. The sound of D is D. The sound of D is D. D for dog. D for dog. And then D for drum. D for drum. The next picture we see here, D for duck. D for duck. D-O-G, dog. D-R-U-M, drum. D-U-C-K, duck. The next letter is E. The sound of E is A. Okay. The sound of E is A. E for egg. E for egg. E for I. E for elephant. E for elephant. Shall we spell them? E-G-G, egg. E-Y-E-I. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Now let's come to the next letter, F. The sound of F is F for fish. F for fish. F for flower. F for flower. F for flag. F for flag. Now we shall spell them. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-L-A-G, flag. Now shall we look at all the pictures? A for apple, ant, axe. B for ball, bat, bag. C for cat. C for cat, cup, cap. And D for dog, drum, duck. E for egg, I, elephant. And F for fish, flower, flag.